If your Dell docking station fan is constantly running, you're not alone. This is a common issue affecting popular models like the WD-19 series, WD-22TB4, and other USB-C or Thunderbolt docks. The main symptoms are nonstop fan noise, noticeable heat, and sometimes unstable charging or display performance. In many cases, the fan kicks in once internal temperatures reach around 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, and it may never fully settle down if heat levels stay elevated. Docking stations generate heat from power delivery circuits, Thunderbolt controllers, multi-monitor display processing, and laptop charging components. Over time, dust buildup is one of the biggest causes, especially after a year or more of use. Outdated firmware can also trigger aggressive fan behavior due to poor thermal calibration. In older units, degraded thermal paste or driver conflicts may contribute as well. Start troubleshooting with basic maintenance. Unplug the dock, clean all vents with compressed air, and ensure it's placed in a well-ventilated area, not flat against a wall or under a desk. Next, update the dock firmware and install the latest drivers from Dell support. Also check your laptop's BIOS updates, since power management settings can affect dock thermals. In most real-world cases, simple cleaning and firmware updates dramatically reduce fan noise. Proper airflow and regular maintenance are often enough to prevent constant fan operation.